Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Whippets is probably one of the most versatile and exciting kitchen gadgets available today, offering a simple yet effective way to create whipped cream, infuse beverages, and even prepare light, airy desserts right in your own home. Whether you're a seasoned baker looking to elevate your creations or a home cook wanting to add a touch of gourmet flair to everyday treats, these small, powerful devices can transform your culinary experience with just a press of a button. Get ready to explore the delightful possibilities that come with mastering the art of the whip. Number 5. Whippet Stain Remover Concentrate Kit. Tired of stubborn stains? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to tackle even the toughest messes. Get ready for a cleaner home with ease. Harnessing the power of nature, this cleaner utilizes plant-based ingredients and enzymes. It effectively breaks down stains without harsh chemicals. This kit includes concentrated formulas that make up to 64 bottles of cleaner. That means incredible value and long-lasting cleaning power for your home. From coffee and wine spills to baby messes and pet accidents, it handles it all. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it can remove a wide variety of common stains. With 500 uses per kit, this is an economical choice for your cleaning needs. It's a powerful yet gentle solution that's kind to your home and the environment. What we like? This kit offers incredible value with its concentrated formula, allowing you to make a large quantity of cleaner. If you're looking for an economical and eco-friendly option for tackling a wide range of tough stains, this is the one for you. It's perfect for households that use a lot of cleaner or want to stock up for extended use. Number 4. Whippet Cleaner Multi-Purpose Stain Remover 32 ounces. Tired of stubborn stains? Introducing a professional strength spray designed to tackle even the toughest messes. Its plant-based enzyme formula works wonders on a variety of common spills. From accidental spills of food and coffee to red wine and baby messes, this cleaner handles it all. It's your go-to solution for everyday accidents. Pet owners, rejoice! This powerful spray is also effective against common pet stains. Keep your home fresh and clean with ease. With over 500 potential uses, this versatile cleaner offers incredible value. One bottle can handle countless cleaning tasks around your home. Experience the power of plant-based ingredients. This cleaner is tough on stains but gentle in its formulation, making it a smart choice for your household. Proudly made in the USA, this 32-ounce bottle provides ample cleaning power. Get the results you need with a product you can trust. What we like? For immediate cleaning power, this ready-to-use spray is your best bet. Its professional strength formula tackles stubborn stains quickly and effectively. If you need a convenient, powerful cleaner for everyday messes and want a product made in the USA, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The Whippets are a great addition to any kitchen, allowing for quick and easy creation of whipped cream. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with most kitchen aesthetics. These canisters are incredibly user-friendly, making the process of whipping cream simple and efficient. Number 3. Whippet Cleaner Multi-Purpose Stain Remover Concentrate. Tired of stubborn stains? Introducing a revolutionary cleaner designed to tackle even the toughest messes. It's your go-to solution for a spotless home. This highly concentrated formula goes a long way, making up to 32 bottles of powerful cleaner. Get more cleaning power with less product. Harness the power of nature with our plant-based enzyme cleaner. It effectively breaks down common household stains like food, grease, coffee, and wine. From baby messes to pet accidents, it handles it all. With over 500 uses, this versatile cleaner is perfect for almost any cleaning challenge you face. Proudly made in the USA, this 32-ounce bottle provides exceptional value and performance. Experience the difference of a quality, American-made product. What we like? This concentrate is designed for those who want to tackle tougher jobs like grease and grime. It offers a cost-effective way to create a powerful cleaner, making 32 bottles. If you frequently deal with greasy messes in the kitchen or workshop and prefer a plant-based solution, this concentrate is ideal. What people say? The Whippets are a great way to add a professional touch to your desserts. They are easy to use and produce consistent results every time. The Whippets are made of high-quality stainless steel and are very durable. Number 2. Whippet Accent Cream Whipper, Blue. Introducing the Whippet, accent in a stylish blue. This tool is designed for convenience and ease of use in your kitchen. It comes with everything you need to get started: 2 decorator tips, a tip brush, a charger holder, and a recipe book. Enjoy a secure hold with its rubber coating, providing extra grip whether your hands are wet or dry. This feature ensures safety and control during use. The protective rubberized seal adds to its durability and ensures a clean and efficient operation every time. It's built to last. Ideal for a variety of culinary settings, including restaurants, ice cream shops, coffee shops, bars, and bakeries. Elevate your creations with this versatile tool. We stand by its quality with a comprehensive 2-year warranty. Purchase with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This product is perfect for culinary professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering a secure grip for precise application. It comes with everything you need to get started, including decorator tips and a recipe book. If you're in the food service industry or love creating beautiful desserts at home, this is a great tool to elevate your creations. What people say. The Whippets are a great way to add a professional touch to your desserts. They are easy to use and produce consistent results every time. The Whippets are perfect for making whipped cream, mousses, and other desserts. Number 1. Dr. Oetker Whipped Cream Stabilizer, 2-pack. Tired of your whipped cream collapsing? Introducing a simple solution to keep it fluffy and stable. Just a small amount is all you need to ensure your cream holds its shape. It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your recipes. Enjoy perfectly whipped cream for longer, whether it's for a special occasion or a simple dessert. It prevents weeping and maintains its texture. This convenient pack ensures you always have this baking essential on hand. Get 2 units for all your baking needs. Trust in the quality of Dr. Oetker for your baking and dessert creations. Achieve professional results with ease. What we like. Ensure your whipped cream stays perfectly fluffy and stable for longer with this essential stabilizer. It prevents weeping and maintains texture, making it ideal for desserts and beverages. If you're hosting a party, baking for a special occasion, or simply want your homemade whipped cream to look and taste its best, this is a must-have. What people say. The Whippets are a great addition to any kitchen, allowing for quick and easy creation of whipped cream, mousses, and other desserts. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for effortless operation. With a variety of nozzle attachments included, you can create beautiful garnishes and decorative swirls, adding a professional touch to your culinary creations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.